What you doing? What's up, guys? So we're here, gonna do something a little bit different, going up to the track. So no Audi S3 rebuild video this time, but we're gonna try to run a better time than I did last time. It was like a 12.7 at like 111 miles per hour. So gonna try to get like low 12s, maybe high 11s. We'll see. So hang on tight.
It's up against a Mustang.
Oh.
Come on.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day. I only ran 2 times last night, 12.9 and 12.8. Everything seemed good, was running great, no knock, no time being pulled. But on the way home, as I was thinking, like, wow, man, this thing's lasted 2,000 miles of build without check engine light popping on. Sure enough, check engine light popped on. And it was knock sensor, high input sensor. I forget what it was, like P3028 or something. But regardless, I kind of ran it really low on gas. I was trying to just make it as light as possible at the track. And on the way home, I mean, the gas light did come on. So, and it's been known that recently there's been bad gas going around. So I'm gonna fill her up, put like 5 gallons in. Take it for a run, clear the code, see if it comes back. It's probably going to come back. From there, I got another knock sensor that's been chilling on another motor I parted out a while back. So I'll throw it in there, see if that works. If that doesn't work, then I'll buy an OEM one. Hopefully that solves it. Hasn't been knocking or nothing. Didn't sound like there was any issues going on with it as far as the motor goes, but I guess it gets me a little worried. This whole time the knock sensor hasn't been working, and that's why I haven't really been seeing any knock. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully it's nothing too big. Hopefully this thing's not fucked. We'll see. First things first, we eat. Then I can deal with that turd. Got some fresh gas now. I'm gonna clear this code and hopefully it doesn't come back. P0328.
Use a new muffler.
What was that?
You can use a new muffler.
I know. It's loud, huh?
If you find a lazy or a crazy policeman, he will stop you all of that.
Yeah, I take my chances.
Yeah, I know they do it. Some do it.
No, I know. Just,
That is loud.
it is loud. It's catless.
That's when I drive a BMW, you don't even hear it.
Yeah.
It's just
Alright, let's see if this thing comes back on. Last time I did one wide open throttle pull after clearing it. It came on, so go up the street, try it again, and see if she does it. Well, I made it to the end of the street, and it's back on. Keeps like dying out too. Let's see what we got here. Knock sensor again. Alright, so I'm gonna turn around, swap the sensor. Hopefully the one I had kicking around's good. But I mean, as you can see, does not make any knocking noise. So, we'll have to see. Alright guys, so old knock sensor's out. Can't really see anything that could have been wrong with it just by looking at it, but there's a lot of components inside that make up this thing, so there could be a few things, whether it's the connection of it. There's like a little ball in there that actually picks up on everything. I'm not too sure, but regardless, it's pretty easy to get to, especially if you don't have a top mount intercooler in your front mount. It's that little sensor right here. It's just a 12mm bolt, and then one plug right here. Done. So this is the other used one I had. I'm gonna give it a try. If not, I'll probably be buying a new one, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, I made it further than last time so far. No check engine light. Doesn't seem to be dying out either, so this may have fixed it. We'll see. Hopefully the other sensor though was not working that whole time. I mean, I did a dyno tune, been up at the drag strip a couple times, a lot of wide open throttle pulls, and the knock sensor wasn't picking up on anything. It's pretty scary. Hopefully nothing in the motor's fucked, but it seems good. I'm gonna give her a rip up here and see how she responds. Alright, gotta let her eat. Like, honestly feels faster than it ever has. Holy fuck. No knock, no check engine light. May have fixed it. Woohoo!